What is the new record? Google wants to stop making any Pixel products in China that include smartphones, smartwatches, and earbuds. In recent years, they've been expanding its production capability in Vietnam and India to reduce their reliance on China, but a significant portion of Pixel is still made in China. The 2027 timeline comes from Google's successful development and production of Pixel phones in Vietnam this year. Since phones are more complicated to make than smartwatches and earbuds, the company is now confident it can make a full switch. If Google's Roman plans pan out, this will be the second global smartphone brand that moves away from China following Samsung. It's easy for Google to do so since they don't sell any phones in China, and it was easy for Samsung since the market share is negligible. Google planned to ship around 8 to 10% more Pixel smartphones this year compared to last year's 12 million units. To decrease price pressure from memory chips, Google has started bundling chip orders for its cloud computing businesses with those of its smartphone in negotiation with the memory triopoly of Samsung, SK, Hynix, and Micron. An unnamed executive from Google and Xiaomi's component supply chain reportedly said Google could gain some market share from Apple in US, Japan, and Europe, where Apple in it is making their phone more expensive.